Assalamu alaikum students, class 7, exercise 4a, question number 2. Now we have to do the real life problems related to square root. So first question number 2 is find the smallest whole number by which 512 must be multiplied in order to give a perfect square. Firstly, we have to take an example. First of all, let's suppose 8 is that number. Now we have to find the smallest whole number by which 8 must be multiplied in order to give a perfect square. So first of all, we have to find its LCM. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 are the prime factors of 8. 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2. Now we have to make the pair of these factors. Now this factor is incomplete. So there should be 2 to make them a perfect square. So we have to multiply by 2 to get the 8 a perfect square. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. Now 16 is the perfect square. So question ये है कि 8 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए कि हमारा जो क्वेश्चन है वो एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बन जाए. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द 512. So which number should be multiplied with 512 in order to get a perfect square? So firstly find the prime factors of 512 and then see which of them do not appear in pairs. So this is the LCM of 512. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 512 can be written as 2 multiplied by 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 2 and multiplied by 2. So now we have to make the pairs. This pair, this pair, this pair, this pair and this pair is incomplete. So fifth pair of 2 is incomplete. Another 2 is required. So 512 must be multiplied by 2. So we have to multiply by 2 to become a perfect square. That is 512 multiplied by this 2. So we get the answer 1024. So now 1024 is the perfect square. Question number 3 is find the lowest number by which 21,168 must be divided in order to yield a perfect square. The LCM of 21,168 is 2 1s are 2, 0 and 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8 and 1 carry, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12 and 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 3 4s are 12, 2 carry, 3 7s are 21. 3 4s are 12, 2 carry, 3 9s are 27, 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. Now 21,168, the prime factors of this is pair. Now the pair of these 3 is incomplete. So numbers 2, 2, 3, 7 appear in pair and one pair of 3 is incomplete. Now this number should be divided by 3. If we have to divide it by 3, this 3 will be cancelled out. So it become a perfect square. So 21,168 divided by 3 to get a perfect square like 7,056. Okay student, question number 4 is the product of two positive numbers is 15,876 and the larger one is 9 times the other. Find the numbers. So let the first number is x, then another number will be 9x because the larger number is 9 times the other. So by given condition their product is equals to 15,876. So x multiplied by 9x. Now 9x multiplied by x is 9x square is equals to 15,876. 9 यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, वहाँ जाकर डिवाइड होगा और हमें आंसर मिल जाएगा x square is equals to 1764. Now this is the answer of x square. We have to find the value of x. Now taking square root on both sides and we will get x square root is equals to square root 1764. Now we have to find the square root of this value, that this LCM will be equals to 2 square multiplied by 3 square and multiplied by 7 square. These all squares will be cancelled out with this square root and we get x is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, that is equals to 42. So the first number is 42. Now we have to find the other number, that is 9x. So we have to put the value of x and we get the answer 378. Now 42 multiplied by 378 will be equals to 15,876. Question number 5. Find the lowest perfect square number that is divisible by 12, 16, 20 and 24. So you can solve it easily. You have to find the LCM of these values. Question number 6. The sum of the squares of two positive whole numbers is 794. First of all, we have to let the numbers. Then we have to taking the square of the numbers. Then we have to add up. If one of the number is 13, one number is given, that is 13. So find the other. So we consider that the required number will be x, then by condition the second number is given. So x square, because they said their squares. Their squares, first number square and the second number square and their sum. So x square plus 13 square is equals to 794. Now x square 13 square is equals to 169. x square 169 वहाँ जाके माइनस होगा, आंसर देगा 625. ये वैल्यू है x square की. Now we have to find the value of x. Now we have to taking the square root on both sides. Then we will get this. After taking the LCM of 625, we have to write 5 square multiplied by 5 square. Square root will be cancelled out with the squares. Now we get the answer x is equals to 25. First number is 25 and the second number is 13. Okay students, the last question of this exercise is, a gardener with 5,770 plants wants to arrange them so that the number of rows of plants equal the number of plants in each row. When he does so, he discovers that the number of plants falls short by 6. Find the number of rows the gardener wants to make. So the number of trees that is given in the question is 5,770. Number of plants fall short by, that is equal to 6. So number of trees must be, इतने trees इसमें add किए जाएंगे. Number of trees must be 5,770 plus 6 because these plants are fall short by. So that is equal to 5,776. Now we have to find the how many number of rows the gardener wants to make because he wants to arrange them so that the number of rows of plants equal the number of rows in each row. So now number of rows that is equal to, we have to find the square root. 5,776, the square root of this is 2 square multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 19 square. So squares will be cancelled out with the square root and we get the answer 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 19, that is equals to 76.